Okay, in academic IELTS writing task 1, there are 4 types of reports that we have. Number 1, graph with trend. Number 2, comparative graph. Number 3, process diagram. And number 4, maps. For maps, they will give you 2 maps. One is past map and one is present map, and then you have to spot the differences. It can be the map of a town, like for example, a small town in 2020 and 2024. Or it can be the map of a city, 2010 and 2024 or 2020. So both years can be one past, one present, or both can be past, like 2010 and 2020. So whatever you want to write about 2010, for that you will use past perfect tense. And when you write about 2020, for that you will use past simple tense. If they give you the maps of past and present, one map is of 2010 and one map is now. They write the word now. Okay, for now you will use present perfect tense because it's done, it's completed. So for now, present perfect tense, and for the previous map you will use past simple tense, right? Now let's see. Please come to this page. The 2 maps below show an island before and after the construction of some tourist facilities. Now imagine an island before tourist facilities and after tourist facilities. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Now if you see before, there is no facility there. There is only sea, one beach, some palm trees, right? And if you take a look at after, you can see they have footpath, vehicle track, restaurant, reception, accommodation, and all that stuff, right? Now this is what we are going to write about. Okay, let's see. We go through the map. The first paragraph is very short. For that you write, the diagrams illustrate some changes to a small island which has been developed for tourism. You just need to reword this paragraph. This paragraph which is given already, you have to reword it, paraphrase it, rearrange it, and that will become your first paragraph. Now, it is clear that the island has changed considerably. See that? Before, no facility, and after, a lot of facility. So it is clear that the island has been changed considerably with the introduction of tourism, and 6 new features can be seen in the second diagram. Can you see 6 new features? Restaurant, reception, accommodation, swimming, pier, and what's the 6th one? Swimming, yeah. Beach was already there. Okay, accommodation is there. Yeah, footpath, vehicle track is already there. Yeah, so it's there. Okay, 6 new features can be seen in the second diagram. The main development, and by the way, you don't need to count the feature. Instead of 6 features, you can write various features, several features. That's better. The main developments are that the island is accessible and visitors have somewhere to stay. Somewhere to stay means accommodation, and accessible means the roads and footpath and all that. Now, looking at the maps in more detail, you can copy this sentence. Looking at the maps in more detail, comma. We can see that small huts have been built. Which tense is it? Present perfect, passive voice. Okay, small huts have been built to accommodate visitors to the island. The other physical structures that have been added are a reception building in the middle of the island and a restaurant to the north of the reception. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. Before these developments, the island was completely bare apart from a few trees. So there were only palm trees, otherwise bare apart means there was nothing else. As well as the buildings mentioned above, the new facilities on the island include a pier. We'll check the meaning of that. Where, yeah, boats can be docked. So pier is a place where boats can be docked. There is also a short road linking the pier with the reception and restaurant. Can you see the small roads? Yeah. Footpath, vehicle track and all that. And in actual exam, maps will be given in color. So they are going to be all colored, okay? You can easily spot all these things. Okay, so yeah. All right. There is also a short road linking the pier with the reception and restaurant, and footpaths connect the huts. Finally, there is a designated swimming area for tourists off a beach on the western tip of the island. Can you see that? Beach and swimming area and all that. So it's very simple. Whenever they give you maps, over here they mention before and after. It can be 2010 and now, or it can be 2010 and 2020. So you will use tenses appropriately, but this is the structure which you have to follow, right? Now in this book, you will find several maps and you should go through them.